We'll guide you through how to animate eyes on Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Alight motion on your device. Press the Create New Project button at the top. Choose the project settings you want, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, tap the plus button near the bottom of the screen. Select the circle shape and add it to your timeline. Adjust the size of the circle until it matches the eye size you want. After resizing it, open the Color and Fill option and change the color to white. Next, select the white circle layer and duplicate it. Open the Color and Fill and change its color to black. Resize the black circle so it is smaller than the white circle. Once both circles are ready, select the both circle layers, then group them together. After that, press the plus button again and add another circle shape. Open Color and Fill and choose any color you prefer for the eyelid shape. Then go to Move and Transform and open the scale settings. Disable the size lock so you can adjust the width and height independently. Increase the width until the shape stretches across the eye from left to right. Then adjust the height until it covers the eye shape properly. Turn on the height scale keyframe. Leave the first keyframe at its default value. Move the playhead to the middle of the layer and create a second keyframe. Reduce the height value significantly to make the eyelid close over the eye. Then move to the end of the layer and add a third keyframe. Increase the height value back to its original setting to reopen the eye. For smoother animation, open the graph editor and adjust the curve between the keyframes. Next, duplicate the eyelid layer and place the duplicated layer below the pupil group. You can also animate the pupil by adding position keyframes and moving it slightly left, right, up, or down. Finally, mask the pupil with the top eyelid layer so the movement stays inside the eye shape. You have now successfully created a basic eye animation in Alight motion.